According to rumors that have made a lot of noise in the network, Samsung can go to a completely new world. According to the Korean publication The Elect, Samsung is working on a smart ring device called Galaxy Ring. Rumors suggest that the Japanese company Miko is responsible for the development of printed circuit boards for these rings in the Galaxy. You may be wondering why these printed circuit boards are used in portable devices. Printed circuit boards play an important role in the connection of various components and ensuring seamless operation of the device. In the case of portable devices such as Galaxy Ring, they can collect data and ensure efficient operation of the device. Due to its size and limitation of internal space, the development of Galaxy Ring may turn out to be a difficult task. For a portable device, a tiny printed circuit board is required, and for Galaxy Ring it should obviously be smaller than for smartwatches and smart fitness bracelets. Although there are rumors that Samsung has started the advanced development of Galaxy Ring, the exact dates of its mass production remain uncertain. In the industry, advanced development can mean two things. First, the materialization of the product concept. And secondly, the stage before mass production. Thus, this means that Samsung will probably work with such partners as Miko for further development of Galaxy Ring. And then decide whether and when and how much they will produce, based on the potential of the product. But we can observe the fact that Galaxy Ring has recently been mentioned much more often in the news, since we noticed at the beginning of the year the application of Samsung to register a trademark in Cyprus. But all these recent reports go beyond the limits of patents and trademarks. 2 weeks ago, a Galaxy fan user on Reddit even found that the recent beta update of Samsung Health added support for Ring in the list of functions. This may mean one of two things. First, Samsung may still be preparing to launch Galaxy Ring. Secondly, the company may want to add support for third-party smartphones to its health platform. Anyway, the company, at least, lays the foundation for the health application to become smarter and support a wider range of fitness accessories. Smart Ring is a tiny, elegant wearable device that fits on the finger unnoticeably, unlike other wearable devices that attract more attention. With the help of various sensors built into the device, it can collect valuable information about the body and health, which you can check on your smartphone through the app. Smart rings are not new on the market, but remain a niche product that has not yet gained wide popularity. The Finnish company Aura was one of the pioneers in the category of smart rings. Its Aura Ring is equipped with a set of sensors that allow you to track heart rate, control sleep, activity, recovery, temperature trends, stress, and much more. Made of titanium and weighing only 4 to 6 grams, the ring provides up to 7 days of autonomous work without recharging. If the cases are confirmed and Samsung continues to produce the Galaxy Ring, it will probably offer similar functions that allow users to track data on their health without the need to wear a watch or phone. As for whether this ring will become a really practical and valuable product, it is up to the buyer. But in theory, smart rings can be more convenient to wear during certain fitness activities. And since the rings are more reliably fixed on the finger of the user than smartwatches on the wrist, some say that the Galaxy Ring can benefit from more accurate health indicators than the Galaxy Watch series. In any case, it will be interesting to observe this, and be sure, I will inform you about the most interesting. Therefore, subscribe to our channel and do not forget about Telegram. All links are in the description. Good luck to all.
Udah